Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix there is a billing problem with a family member's previous purchase. Ask the family organizer to update their billing information. So if you see this kind of error and if you are using family member's account, so how you can fix that? So the solution of the problem is in the error which is written that ask the family member organizer to update their billing information. So if you have already told the family member and they have updated their payment method, so the problem is still there, then how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply reset all of your network setting, and after that you can also reset your location and privacy. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply restart your iPhone. As your family organizer had updated their payment information, so you can also ask your family organizer to update their payment information again if the problem is still there. If they have already done that and the problem is occurring again, then what you have to do, you have to simply contact the Apple support and ask for the solution of the problem, that what is the problem you are facing related to that. So after that, you have to simply check whether the problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can also join Apple discussion and ask for different Apple iPhone user that the problem is on your device or they are also facing the problem. And after that, you can ask anyone about the solution, how they solve your problem. So in this way, you can simply solve the error. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.